challenges we see is about paying attention to all the complexities of a building. We forget to appreciate how complex a building is. It's not just bricks and sticks and lumber. It really is a complex system of insulation and air sealing and managing water and flashing windows and managing all kinds of trade contractors, different language barriers. So we have a lot of obstacles that really make the business quite difficult. So I'd say that's one of the greatest challenges. Once we get the job sold, the challenges have just begun. And we also have to manage all these people, and then at the end, verify that the project finished, it worked, it was successful in terms of comfort and performance and durability, that it's a healthy place to be in, and that it's efficient. If 80% of the failures in buildings are usually related to the mismanagement of moisture in one form or another, liquid moisture or in the vapor state. So one of the keys that's missed oftentimes is the flashing on the outside. Seems so simple. We seem like, I've got that, I just put more caulk or more tape. And we're realizing that the details about layering and shingling, stuff we've known for centuries, gets missed in the conversions. Another place is really sizing of the mechanical systems. As I'm adding insulation and improving the windows, I should get a smaller furnace and air conditioner. And the challenge is, how do I get that information conveyed to my heating contractor to say, oh, by the way, our building efficiency has been improved so much, I'd like to see a smaller equipment. Don't put the ducts in the attic, put them in the building. And I think finally some of the details about insulating, how important it is that we get one chance to do this and put it in well. Put the bats in carefully, fill out the cavities, or blow the insulation in. And sometimes we've just resulted in saying, just foam it, it'll be fine. And I don't think that's the best approach. I would upgrade the insulation systems, really improve the levels from what we were doing with bats and kind of smashing them in the walls to really blowing it in the cavity. We've reached a stage where the cost of energy has gone up enough that it's time to move to the next step. I think really looking at the complexities and the opportunities that HVAC presents itself. Every building needs ventilation. Every building needs heating and cooling, but making them just the right size. A better building needs smaller equipment and simpler stuff to make sure that that works out. And unless I think there's things about the cladding of the exterior of the building, the drainage of the foundation, really making sure that that building sits in a place that's comfortable and dry and that the occupant has a healthy place to be. And I think those are straightforward approaches that we can make sure happen. Having a better indoor environment by not having my house leak randomly seems like a better approach. Random leakage means I'm sneezing today and there's nothing I can do about it. If I had a tight building, that would really help a lot. So I think those are important things. I think energy efficiency is the absolute easy one. I know that if I don't have to spend as much money at the utility, I get to spend that with my family, going out to dinner, or the great thing to take a trip somewhere. So what an idea is that it's a direct correlation, a direct benefit that happens right away, but it goes on and on. Every time the price of energy goes up, it's a win. And I think those are great opportunities. And I think finally, the idea is about durability. Most homeowners don't know what they need to do. And if I'm waiting for the caulk joint to fail or a leak to occur, so I think if we build buildings that need less of that, that'll be better for the consumer. So in the end, we've got better, durable, healthy, safer, affordable buildings. That's what we should be doing.